Hello there, this is Richard Zimunya reporting for Kwivivi Sports, and today we are right here at the Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council, and I've got a gentleman with me here, that's Mr. Daniel Maromo, who happens to be the Provincial Marketing and Communications Officer for the Manicaland Province, and we just want to hear from him why they are partnering the upcoming 4th edition of the Maiwondo tournament and which services they will be offering as a company. So first to say, tisatenda kure as a company you're offering my services enyu to the community, you're partnering in football. Ngeke mafunga ku partner football tournament bazwinzwese.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you, viewers. We as Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council, we are a social services organization, a parastate under the Ministry of Health and Child Care. And our mandate, we have given a role to give services to the communities when it comes to family planning and sexual reproductive health services. So we are saying, partnering with you on this tournament, Maiwondo tournament, is one way of reaching out to the communities. Because we are saying the services that we have are for the communities, and the communities need to have such services. We need to give them family planning services, sexual reproductive health services, and such that our communities are empowered.
Okay, now say taking it from there, my service amchange michipaya achanga chibhadhariso kana kuti achanga chingopuwa mahara.
Sekutaura kwanamboita kuti isusu social service organizations, and during this event, we are trying to make the community aware of what are the benefits of using family planning services and also accessing other sexual reproductive health services. So our services will be for free. Everything will be for free.
Okay, just for the benefit of the viewers that are out there, can you just clarify each Ndoma service and Changerish offer so that people will come knowing which and which service which they will be getting from your company?
Ndinoda kutenda Richard. Kutora kwanamboita tinema family planning services ndambotaura the sexual reproductive services pachama proper fund. So zvatinoita isusu tichange tichipa vanhu nzira dzokuronga mhuri, all forms of contraceptives or family planning methods. Vanoda mapiritsi tichange tichivapa, vanoda makondom tichange tichivapa, vanoda majadel tinenge tichivaisa majadel, maimplanon, then neimwe inonzi loop kuti yatoti IUCD, zvese zvo tinenge tichivapa pachena. Tozotarisazve kuside kwenyaya dzezvepabonde, tinotarisa kuvaongorora zvirwere zvepabonde, ma-STIs tinotarisa zvese uyezve tichivarapa zvekare, kunyanya also HIV yacho tinenge tichitesa zvekare. Then we also do cancer screening. Mazuva ano ma-cancers ari kunyanya kuwanda. There are women cancers, there are also men cancers. Takaita sana madzimai tine yatoti cervical cancer kana gomarara rechibereko, tinenge tichiongororazve zvekare. Totarisazve yatinoti breast cancer, tinoiongorora zvekare kumadzimai koko kwanditika. Then kunana baba tine yatinoti prostate cancer, toita yatoti testicular cancer, then also penile cancer. Tiri kunana baba zvekare ikoko zvakaonekwa zvekuti vana baba vari kubatwa neyatoti breast cancer haingowanikwi kumadzimai chete, nokuti tiri vanhu vane that organ, also the breast as an organ.
Yeah. Okay, ndatenda ngo. But now mukupedzisira munoti kune vanhu vari kunzoko. Takatarisa netournament iyi, takatarisa nevakomana vari kutamba bhora vechidiki secompany, so vanhu vari kupartner.
Tinoda kungotenda kuvarongi vechiitiko ichi vakagona kuronga vana Saka ndivo matinoziva tichirangarira Maiwondo, asi tichirangarira Maiwondo zvekare tiri kuita kuti vanhu vagone kuwa nharaunda yekwamutare tekuti kutamba imomo ngavawane health education, ngavawane ma-services, nokuti tiri kuda kuti yes tinoziva kuti vechidoko vari active handitika. Saka pane vambozorora paya vouya tovapa information kuti okay tikuti isusu no one should have an STI or HIV because ashaiwa information kuti ashaiwa zvikwanisiro. Saka tikuti ndo mukana watiri kuti iwoyo vachitamba masports avo tichirangarira Maiwondo handitika ngavauye zvawane ma-services avo ari pachena. Ndangotenda vakaronga chirongwa ichi ndobva matirangarirawo sevamwe venyu vatinoshanda navo kuti aiwa Tinama the Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council. We are here to serve the communities of Manicaland. So it will be also an opportunity or platform for us to reach out to the communities with those services. Saka vanhu tirongoti uyai makasungunuka chero musingagoni kutamba uyai zvenyu muchingookera uye zvatisikura kuti maservices avo arongopuwa vatambi chete nemi vari mudzimba ngavauye vawane maservices vana mai vana sekuru vana tete handitika vese vakomana navasikana uyai muwane maservices munenge ndiro pachena uyai muwane information is power kana munhu ukangoone information unenge uri empowered saka tikuti zvese zvamunoda kuziva pamusoro pezvokurongwa kwemhuri one nyaya dzepabonde shanyirai veZimbabwe National Family Planning Council. Tisingatauri zvangu zvekuti kwatinenge tiri uko kumagrounds uko isusu tinowanikwa muna 5th Street muno maMutare mutown chaimo handitika 5th Street pasite number 257 up to 9 muna 5th Street. Saka ndo pane main offices yedu tine clinic zvekare state of the art clinic where we have got specialists in family planning services. Saka tikuti besides that tine youth center Mutare Youth Center iri kuna 2nd Street where also the youth, those who are between the ages of 10 to 24 would receive services free of charge, whether we are chirwere chipi anything chiri sexually related kana kuti anoda kuwana mama service and health education or life skills education. We have got qualified staff there Mutare Youth Center again. So this is Zimbabwe National Family Planning Council, and mune districts we have other youth centers like we have Shendambuya Youth Center, Nyasura Youth Center, we have also Nyanyazi Youth Center and Gorima Youth Center. Then we also complement with other organizations like the Mutare City Council, is also other youth centers, Ministry of Youth, there's also other youth centers where the youth can receive services. And also in addition to that, at every health center, we've also trained nurses in youth-friendly sex provision, so the youth also can access information there. And also within the education sector, we've also trained teachers in youth-friendly sex provision. So we are saying the youth of Manicaland, those are the centers, those are the people where you can get the services. So feel free to approach those people or those centers where you get the services.
Well, there you heard it from the man himself, the Mayondo 4th edition coming. This one is bigger and better, as you have heard him saying. He said that these services are not only for footballers, but also for everyone who is in the community. So meaning that you who is watching, you are also invited, and they want you to be there so that you know how to plan for your family. Also, you know what to do. And as he has said, that information is power. Just to come and get a little bit of education on what is family planning, what is needed in life. Well, from myself, Richard Izimunya, I just have to thank the man with me here, Mr. Maromo. And till we meet again next time, I say to you, love is not love till you give it away. Bye-bye for now.